How to recover your Snapchat streaks. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover your Snapchat streaks. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to recover our Snapchat streaks, all you have to do is first of all just open up the Snapchat application. Then let's say that you lost your snap streak with some kind of friend or maybe your best friend. You can recover that as well if you think that you cannot. All you have to do is to just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and as you tap on the gear icon, scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you find the option called I need help. So right under support, you'll find the option called I need help. You want to make sure to just tap on that option. As you tap on the option called I need help, you'll see all these sorts of popular topics. You just want to tap on the option that's snap streaks right under popular topics. Once you tap on snap streaks, here you'll be able to see all this, but at the bottom you can see it'll ask me, do you need help with something else? We'll just select the option called yes over here, so just tap on yes. Once you tap on yes, it says how can we help. So here you have to select the option called I've lost my snap streak, as you could clearly see here. Once you select I've lost my snap streak, a new form is going to be opened up down below over here, and when that form opens up, you'll be able to successfully fill a form. So let this form load up as well. So you can see a new form has relatively opened up at the bottom, where first of all you have to enter your Snapchat username and then the email address on which your Snapchat account where you lost your snap streaks was associated with, and then your mobile number, which is compulsory, the device on which you were using Snapchat and where you lost your snap streak, and then your friend's username, which means that the friend with whom you lost your snap streak with, you can only submit to one friend at a time, so keep that in mind. And after that, you can also select when did you start having this issue. So you can just select a yesterday or a simple date, and then how long was the snap streak before it expired. This is the most important part. You want to make sure to put a number as close to the Snapchat streak that you had. If you remember the exact one, that's perfectly fine, but if you don't, try to submit the exact snap streak that you actually had over here. And it says, did you see this icon? So depending upon what you saw or not, just select it, and then you'll also be able to see the option called description. So here you can briefly describe how you happen to lose your snap streak without any reason, and just choose the option called send from the bottom, and then Snapchat is going to get back to you with a positive solution. And hopefully these solutions may have helped solve your problem on how you can recover your snap streak. Snapchat is usually positive about this, so hope this solves your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.